Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do another unboxing. Today unboxing is going to be microphones that we're going to use for vlogging. Maybe later on if this one is good. So I bought this from AliExpress. The price is around $30. So it reached Brunei for about 30 days. Yes, 30 plus days, something like that. So I opened the box for the declare. So this is the one, Andoer Ad-M2 microphone. So let's open it. So the microphone is actually came with the carrying case, which is quite good. So you can organize your stuff, and inside they have the microphones with cold shoes holder, that cat, two cables. One is TRS, the other one is the TRRS, and of course manual books and thank you card with 20% discount for next purchase. So we're going to register to the website later on. So the package is actually came with the two cables. One is the TRS and the other one is the TRRS. So TRS, normally you use it for connect the microphone with your mobile, or in my case I connect it to my Osmo Pocket, so I'm using this TRS, while this TRRS is actually you can use it for video camera. So what's the difference between these two cables? If you can see, alright, so TRS, you can see there's only two black ring, while TRRS you can see there is three black ring here. So we're going to use this one, this cable. Microphone is quite good. It's very small actually. It's that cat. So I will connect it to my Osmo Pro. I will connect it to my Osmo Pocket. Test 1 2 3, test 1 2 3. Now we're using the Andoer Ad-M2 mic. Test 1 2 3. So we're going to do the tap test. Test 1 2 3. Test 1 2 3. Test 1 2 3. Alright, so the sound quality, to be honest with you, it's quite flat. Well, you can expect that with the item with only $30, but for now, for me, it should be enough if I'm using it for normal daily vlog. I'm using this clip-on for my daily vlog, but now I can use this as well. So If you want to buy it, you can find the link down below. Then we're going to try this one for outdoor, probably tomorrow or the day after, and then we'll update you later on. Alright, that's it for our unboxings today. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in another unboxings video. Bye bye.